Hey everyone, want to create digital whiteboards in Excalidraw? Excalidraw is a free open-source online whiteboard that lets you brainstorm ideas, sketch concepts, create diagrams, plan projects, and collaborate with others in real time. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create whiteboards in Excalidraw in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Excalidraw website. Yeah, you can start using the whiteboard immediately without creating an account or installing any software. Next, create a title for your whiteboard and organize the canvas into sections if needed. You can dedicate different areas for brainstorming, notes, tasks, diagrams, or project planning. Now begin filling your whiteboard with shapes, arrows, text, images, and freehand drawings. Yeah, the infinite canvas gives you plenty of room to expand your ideas without worrying about running out of space. Use colors, grouping, alignment, and spacing tools to organize your whiteboard. Keeping related ideas together makes your board much easier to understand and present. If you're working with a team, click Live Collaboration and share the invite link. Multiple people can edit the same whiteboard simultaneously, making brainstorming sessions and project planning much more efficient. When your whiteboard is complete, save the editable Excalidraw project file or export it as a PNG or SVG image. Yeah, this allows you to share your work, continue editing later, or include it in presentations and documents. And that's how to create whiteboards in Excalidraw in 2026. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, planning projects, teaching lessons, or designing workflows, Excalidraw provides a simple and flexible digital whiteboard for individuals and teams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.